Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 27th August in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, find the distance of the image from object O formed by the combination of the lenses in the figure. So you have been given this figure, which is a combination of different lenses. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from this combination. Okay, now you have to find out what would be the, where would be the image formed and where and what would be its distance from object. Okay, first of all, if an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters, so the u distance is minus 30 centimeter from the first lens, and this focal length is given by a relationship which is plus 10 centimeter. Okay, you can easily find out the value of v from this expression, and v can easily be calculated by relationship 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So it would be 1 upon plus 10 is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. What is u over here? Minus 30. Okay, minus minus plus, again it would go over there, so you'll be getting 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 10 minus of 1 upon 30. So v comes out to be 2 by 30 and v comes out to be plus 15 centimeter. So that means this lens is about to form an image at a distance of 15 centimeter from this point. Okay, so it might be forming distance, so the distance between these two is 5 centimeter. So that means image would have formed over here, don't you think? Image would have formed over here. Okay, so but before the image could form over here, the lens came in between. So what will gonna happen? So, and what is the focal length of this lens? It is minus 10 centimeter, which is given to you as minus 10. So this is minus 10. Okay, so the focal length is also given to you as minus 10. So it was directed towards the image is directed towards a point of 15 centimeter, and this distance is 5 centimeter, and its focal length is also 10 centimeter. So that means, don't you think, it would be directed towards the focal length of this second mirror, of second lens. Okay, so the situation would be just like this, where suppose an object is placed at certain distance, and this is convex lens, and you will be having again this another lens whose focal length is also 10 centimeter from it. So its image, the lens is going just like this, and it is always directed. So that means these lights, these coming lights, okay, so these lights were directed towards the focus point of second mirror, so it will go parallel. Obviously, whenever it is directed towards its focus, the lens, these lens would go parallelly. Okay, now for the second lens, for the third lens, if a parallel beam of light comes, it would always be converging towards the focal length of this lens, which is 30 centimeter. So this distance must be equal to 30 centimeter, don't you think? So the whole thing is, if the light rays are always directed towards the focus point, so it would always go parallel, and if parallel beam of light comes, it will converge towards its focus point. Okay, and the focal length is plus centimeter. This distance was 5. Okay, and this distance was entirely, this distance was 10 centimeter, and this distance was 30 centimeter. So this was the object. Here the final image would gonna form. So the distance from it is 30 plus 30, which is 60, 60, 70, 75. So 75 centimeter is the correct option. So the first would be the correct option that you can get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.